Okay, today we're going to do our paint mouse color wheel, and we're going to do it step by step. So when Miss Altizer says stop and watch, you're going to stop what you're doing and watch me, and then when I say you may paint, you are going to follow what I just did. So I'm going to make sure I got my name on it first. All right, you have your own, after you get your name, stop and watch. You have your own set of primary, red, yellow, blue, and your own water and your own brush. Today, one of the big things we need to focus on is getting our paint rinsed out of our brush when we change colors. So since yellow is the lightest and easiest to rinse out, you're still watching. We're gonna start with yellow. You may need, I'm gonna move my water over here closer. You may need to wake. Now remember, we don't need to push down hard. All right, this is yellow, so I'm gonna start with yellow. You don't have to paint the whole mouse. You can if you want, because I think in the story they just get part of themselves. I'm gonna give him a little paint down here. Beep, beep, boop, because he tracks it through. All right. All right. Stop. Now you may paint. Paint your yellow. I might be pausing, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on. Red. So remember, we might have to wake up our red, especially if you're in kindergarten, because you have dry paint right now. And stop. I hope you're watching, because I think I forgot to say stop and watch. So we're stopping and we're watching right now. I might just do this so I can say, now you may paint. Okay, we're moving on, and we're gonna rinse real well. And we're gonna wakey the blue if it needs to be woke. And remember, we go like this on our cup if we have too much water. So, oops, he's not very dark. So get some blue. I'm just gonna do the bottoms and his feet because he likes to track that. And you know what I forgot? We're stopping and watching. All right. Now here comes the fun part. Let's see. Let's go in the same order. So stop and watch. I rinse. Stop and watch. I'm gonna do yellow first. Rinse. You're watching right now, and then I'm gonna do red. And I think with red, you just need a little bit. Mixy. Yeah, I put way too much in there. I'm gonna dab. Rinse, because I'm going back to yellow. So what I just learned is lots of yellow, just a little bitty bit of red. I was afraid of that. So orange falls between red and yellow, because red plus yellow makes orange. So you can paint right now, and then we're gonna rinse. Pause and watch me. Getting this yellow. I'm going to make green because I'm between yellow and blue. So a lot of yellow. Rinse. Just a little. I'm just gonna get a little bit of blue. See what we get. It takes a lot of yellow and just a little bit of blue or a little bit of red. Okay, that's starting to turn green. You may paint. Oh, rinse. What do we need now? I don't think it matters which color I start with first. I'm gonna do a little bit of red. I have a feeling that blue is gonna be stronger. So just going to try a little bit of blue, rinsing between colors, because I think it might be strong. And it is. So you're watching. We're just going to mix. If I want to add more red, I need a rinse. And let's add some more red and see what happens. You're not going to get a great purple because these colors aren't pure red and pure blue. So we get the best we can get. That's pretty purpley. Rinse. When you're done, we're gonna share trays. I will let you go. We'll go person by person, so we're not all at the tables. So let's talk about the color wheel real fast. You got your brush back in here, and this is good to go. You leave it. We're not using it anymore today. So we got our primary: red, blue, yellow. It doesn't matter where you put these. It matters where you put the colors in between, because red and blue make purple, and blue and yellow make green, and yellow and red make what? That's right, orange. And that is how the color wheel works. It gives you a formula. It's kind of like science sometimes. All right. I will stop this and we will start putting our pictures up. And then I think I'm going to have color sticks out so we can free draw with our color sticks or get a book, because I'm sure we finished early.